how to see your Instagram password. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram app on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now go to your profile and tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the account center option. Tap on that and further tap on the password option there. Here, as you can see, there is no option to see your current Instagram password. So go ahead and close Instagram and open the passwords application on your iPhone. You will be asked to enter your biometrics or passcode. Enter that and further tap on the search bar there and search for Instagram. You will be shown with the list of accounts you have connected to Instagram on this device. Tap on the profile whose password you are looking forward to. You will see the password tab. Tap on that and with this you will be able to view your Instagram password. So this is how you can see your Instagram password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.